The Moon's story, a cosmic saga. The story of our moon is a dramatic cosmic tale, beginning with a violent birth and evolving into a silent partnership that has shaped Earth's history and humanity's future. Chapter 1. The Violent Birth. For billions of years, our Earth existed alone. But about 4.5 billion years ago, a celestial body the size of Mars, which scientists call Theia, crashed into our nascent planet. This was no glancing blow. It was a cataclysmic impact that vaporized Theia and ejected a massive plume of rock and debris from Earth's mantle into space. This orbiting cloud of debris, held together by gravity, eventually coalesced into the single, spherical body we know as the Moon. This giant impact hypothesis is the leading scientific theory for the Moon's origin, though a newer binary exchange capture theory suggests a more complex gravitational dance. Chapter 2. A World of Its Own. The Moon is a world of stark contrasts. Its surface is a silent, airless canvas, painted with two main features: the light-colored, heavily cratered highlands and the darker, smoother Maria, Latin for seas. Contrary to their name, these Maria are not filled with water. They are vast plains of basaltic rock, formed by ancient volcanic eruptions that flooded large basins billions of years ago. The Moon is tidally locked with Earth, which means we only ever see one side of it. This has given rise to the myth of a dark side, but the far side of the Moon receives just as much sunlight as the near side. It just remains hidden from our view. Chapter 3. The Earth's Silent Partner. The Moon isn't just a pretty object in the night sky. It's a vital part of Earth's ecosystem. Its gravitational pull is the primary force behind our planet's tides, a constant, rhythmic cycle that has shaped coastlines for eons. More importantly, the Moon acts as Earth's stabilizer. By tugging on our planet, it prevents the wobbling of our axial tilt, ensuring a stable climate and the predictable seasons that have allowed life to flourish. Chapter 4. Humanity's Journey to the Moon. Our fascination with the Moon has driven centuries of human innovation. The journey began with robotic probes, with the Soviet Union's Luna 2 becoming the first human-made object to reach the Moon in 1959. But the true leap came with NASA's Apollo program. In 1969, Apollo 11 achieved the impossible, landing astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the Moon's surface. By the end of the program, 12 human beings had walked on the Moon. These missions not only fulfilled a technological dream, but also brought back invaluable samples of lunar rock, helping us understand our cosmic neighbor like never before. Chapter 5. The next chapter. After decades of hiatus, humanity is returning to the Moon. NASA's Artemis program aims to land the first woman and the first person of color on the Moon and establish a long-term, sustainable human presence. This effort is not just about returning. It's about building a foundation for future exploration of Mars. Meanwhile, other nations are also reaching for the Moon. In a historic achievement, Japan became the 5th country to successfully land a probe on the Moon in 2024. India has set an ambitious long-term goal to establish a human outpost by 2047, while China is developing a Chinese-led international lunar research station. The Moon is once again a focal point of global ambition, marking a new, collaborative era of exploration.